Introducing myself, my name is Aditya Anantamahdi. I am from Tiga level 2.
Introducing myself, my name is Muhammad Samasaril. My mother is Tiga level 2.
You're watching too much TV. What do you mean? I mean you're wasting your life. I'm having fun. You're sitting there with your mouth open.
Who cares?
I care. Do something.
Okay, I did something.
What did you do?
I turned off the volume.
That's not what I mean by do something.
Will you do something?
Leave me alone.
You are watching too much TV.
What do you mean?
I mean you are wasting your life.
I'm having fun.
You're sitting there with your mouth open.
Who cares?
I care do something.
Okay, I did something.
What did you do?
I turned it up the volume.
That's not what I mean by do something.
Will you do something? Leave me alone.